What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Happy holidays! It is Christmas 2023, and today I thought we could work on our mini fashion collection, Series 3. I saw on Instagram that they have shoes. I'm not talking about mini brand sneakers, but mini brands fashion has shoes. See? They're right there on the Target app. So naturally, I went to Target and picked up a few. We have already opened over 10 of these. So I am totally preparing myself for some doubles today, and I promise to be on my best behavior. This doesn't feel like shoes. Let's start with the purse. It is a double for me. It's a cute little black purse with a chain. Do not ask me to identify the designer purse it was inspired by because I do not know. I'm just here for the minis, man. Aww, but it has a hole in it. It is a fabric purse, so I can try to stitch that up later. In the second bag, we have silver and green earrings, a gold-colored bracelet, a black ankle bag, and gold press-on nail stickers. That really work. You can place them on the doll, and we showed it in a previous video. These are $10 a piece. I'm opening my second capsule. Hopefully my purse is, in great shape. So let's find out. Ah, it's another one of those cage purses. This is a double for me. It does open. I also got the green headband, which is a little too tight for some of my dolls, a gold-colored necklace, a white and gold bracelet, and purple nail stickers. That's two doubles back to back. Trying a third capsule. So far, no shoes and no new purses. Watch there be like a date code or something. And our bag is another double. This is a white bag with little printed roses, gold details, and a chain. It does open. We got a matching hat, a tube of lip gloss, a silver necklace, and purple nails. Let's take a break from the bags and check out some books. I bought Mini Brand's books at Target as well. I got it for $7.99. We can always use more books to add to our bookcase. Alice's Adventures in Wonderland and a bookmark. We get this one a lot, but it's okay because it all just looks like filler on the shelf. Another Library of Souls and Goosebumps, Deep Trouble, and The Twits. There's 4 books and a bookmark, giving us 5 surprises. But this year, I had a goal to create 30 new free printable books inspired by popular covers. So far, we've done 25, and today we're adding 3 more, inspired by the books Wings of Fire. This was a request, and yes, that is Toothless. These books are the same size as our anime books, only this time I made the spine a little thinner, just so we have a little more space at the bends. And now we have 3 new books to add to our collection. Our printables are available on our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. Our search for the shoes continues. And this is... It's a clear bag. This one is a new one for me. It has black edges, some chain details, and little pearls. It's open at the top and easily fits the dolls. We also get a gold-colored headband, a silver and green necklace, white sunglasses with a little houndstooth print on the lenses, and gold nails. So yay! We got a new purse! I wonder if we can tell by weight. This one feels heavier than this one. I'm opening the heavier one, which has the basketball purse. Not what I was shooting for. Get it? It does open. If you're looking for this one, you can kind of hear the chains rattle around in the capsule. That might help you out in the store. For my accessories, I get another ankle bag. This one is pink and silver, the green headband, and I got 2 sets of stickers. Let's see what was in the lighter capsule. You know what? Why didn't I just check the collector's guide to see if shoes were even an option? This now seems so obvious. Doesn't look like we're gonna find those shoes today. But let's go ahead and see which purse is inside. We have a cream tote bag and an orange scarf, red nails, a gold-colored chain, and gold-colored earrings. So we've looked at bags, we've looked at books, so now how about babies? And no, I don't have the new My Mini Babies yet. I did order some. Hopefully they will arrive. But right now, we are taking a look at more Baby Born Surprise mini babies. In the comments on our stocking stuffer video, some of you said that there were cribs. So I went on Amazon and found them. I got it for $9.99. This is Series 2, and we might get 2 or 3 babies. The packaging is a crib. It's kind of like a light purple color, and it looks like they are wrapped in a little blanket. There's a collector's guide showing us the different themes. One is carnival, the other is lunchtime, and then beach. There's an activity page on the back and a birth certificate. Our little babies are wrapped in a blanket. This is really cute. And we have... what's that? Cheese? Yeah, that totally looks like cheese. And here are the little babies. The first one is a mouse. Yep, it's the Cheddar twins. Well, one of them anyway. This baby can move at the head, at the shoulder, at the hip. Looks like the tail can move. Her outfit is sculpted on, and it looks like she can suck her thumb. Oh, she can! How adorable! Yeah. She's cute. Here's the second twin. This one also has a tail, but it also has a sculpted pacifier. Here is their swaddle. It looks like cheese. It's sewn all the way around, and it has little pockets inside. They have a plastic crib, and it does look stackable. There is plenty of space for both of the twins. It can fit our silicone baby, Starla. And we get a blanket. The blanket is a nice size and it's pretty soft. It has a sun and rainbow print and is large enough to be a throw for a Barbie. I do think these babies are a little small for our 1/6 scale dolls, but if you really wanted to, you could totally do it anyway. And different series come with different accessories. This is Series 3. We're getting like a little rubber ducky car. If you have more than one, it looks like you can attach them together. I think these could be cute items in a 1/6 scale nursery. We get a new blanket, and inside we have the swaddle and 2 surprise babies. Our first baby is wearing a little bear costume, and the second baby is wearing the cutest little onesie with bunny ears. According to the collector's guide, these two are the S'mores twins. Here's the swaddle and a new baby blanket with a ducky print. Series 5 gives us a pink rocking horse, which I think we can also use in a baby room. Let's open the blanket to see our babies. This series has a sweet treats theme. This looks like a cookie. And inside we have our babies. The first one is a little bumblebee with wings. It's in a little costume. And the second one is also in a bee costume. Here's the swaddle. It says, "Be mine." And here's the blanket. I love that these came with blankets. I am totally using these for our little silicone baby Starla. But man, I really wanted to see some doll shoes today. Well, good thing my mini brand sneakers order just arrived. I ordered it from Walmart online. It says there are 30 plus minis to collect. And we're gonna go ahead and open one up. So far, they seem pretty standard for a mini brand's capsule. We're getting stickers. Okay. I definitely have feelings about stickers counting as one of the surprises. Here we have a shoebox. It says Prince, and inside we have some shoes. These look pretty giant and have lots of detail. They are nicely painted. There's a little design on the bottom. These are a little bigger than a Ken doll shoe, but they're not very flexible and there's no split in the back. And it doesn't seem very easy to get them onto a Ken doll. They're pretty large for a classic Barbie and a curvy Barbie. However, they're staying on the curvy, so if you wanted to add a pair of socks, you could probably do it. The doll will just appear to have some nice size feet. There's a second bag with a baseball cap that can fit my Ken doll. So we got 2 stickers, a shoebox, a pair of shoes, and a hat. I don't really count the stickers, so to me, we're getting a shoebox, shoes, and a hat. There is a collector's guide, with pink shoes. And we can see all the different hats on the back. So let's try one more time. Maybe a different pair of shoes will fit better. And we have a Skechers sticker. Ooh, please say we have some pink Skechers. Let's be clear, I'm not excited about the sticker. I'm excited that we might have Skechers. Let's start with the hat first. It's a white bucket hat with the Skechers logo. The hat can fit my Barbie. And now for the shoes. Did we get pink Skechers? Oh, it's a sparkly box. Okay. Loving the box. Let's open it up. Are these pink? Oh, they are. Super bright, hot pink shoes. Just the way I like it. Can you even see all those details? They even have a little air bubble. These do seem to be slightly smaller than the first pair of shoes we got, which is good news. I put them on my curvy doll. They are still a little large, but I think we could make it work. And if not, we can always use them as closet clutter. Oh, and if you're looking for the mini brands of fashion with the shoes, it's probably going to be the ones that say 80 plus iconic minis to collect. These say 60. Next time I need to pay more attention to those little details. But thank you for joining us on Christmas Day while we took a look at bags, babies, and books. And we took a look at some shoes. But shoes doesn't start with B. And I've got a nice little theme going on here. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!